Hey, what's up guys, it's SWATmedic here, and today I thought I would do a little vid on what I keep in my freshwater tackle bag. So, you start off on the first, zipper pull thing. I keep one of the, I keep a stringer on there. It's a new one, so it's just always set up. Then inside, I keep a box with my lures. So just a couple things. Got this nice little frog right here, and he's weighted. Oh, got it. Yeah. I'm gonna try to get that untangled. Little homemade lure. Just some spinner baits and stuff. Just use. Then I got Strike King, just tubes, I guess. And I got a black version of those. Well, they're actually more of like a dark green when you take them out. Yeah. I got some watermelon worms, as I like to call them, from Zoom. They're a finesse worm, and the color is watermelon magic. They work really well. Keep my fishing knife. Got this thing for like $5 last year. I went to some bait and tackle shop in Brigantine. Just have this little float running around. Got some more floats. Another float. Some 2-pound test fishing line. Had this rubber band on a crappy reel that didn't work until I fixed it. Another float. Yeah, I know. Right, guys. Got some 6-pound test. Right here I have some sunscreen. Always good to keep some in there. Keep an extra reel. And I got two telescoping rod holders. And all of that goes in that pouch. And then I have the smaller pouch right here, which I use a Mini Magnum Pocket Pack by Plano. Whatever you call it. Alright, so on this side I got all flies. And then I have a couple of others. Not smalls, snaps. So guys, it's 100 degrees in here. Okay guys, so we're back. Just had to do something real quick. And on this side, got a couple words there, like cheapo frog. If I can get these apart. Balls. Here, I'll put you back when I get this. Okay, so then I have my penny lure, which is actually a Canadian penny. You can find these on YouTube, on how to make them. Although we are in the US. Okay, right here I got a spinnerbait, smaller one. Then I got that cheapo frog that I said. Just gotta put everything back in that spot. Okay, then I got small hooks, medium hooks, big hooks, just a couple split shots. Got some small like jig head things, then a big one in there. I have this little guy that I'm not really sure what he is. And then I got crap. Okay, I got this thing that apparently is good for crappies. Never caught one on it. Then I just got a couple other like things in that part. Got a pair of mini pliers, a pair of smaller scissors, and some Gamakatsu. Sorry, why did I forget that? Inline hooks, circle hooks. They're mainly for catfish, or for what I use them for anyway. And yeah. If you come to this side, got my pair of like surgical hemostats. Now if I can get them open one hand. Yeah. I'll get back with you guys when I put all this away. Okay, so everything's back, and so now I'm gonna show a couple clips from my fishing trip I went on in Ocean City, New Jersey. Some of you that watch my main channel probably know that I went down the shore. So stay tuned to see those.
St. Vincent's House is open to a variety of things.
Okay guys, so now the nice people for Ocean City Fishing Central, yes, sorry, I had to remember that, where like what they do is once you're on the boat and everything, you catch your fish. In this case, we caught some sea bass. Well, we caught a sea bass that was legal size. We caught a couple other things. Okay guys, so not really sure exactly where I left off. I just sprayed some critter down across the yard because we're getting a skunk and everything. So I guess I was around the Ocean City Fishing Central. Well, they're on Instagram and I think Facebook. Make sure you like follow them. But yeah, they filleted the sea bass for us, and I have a clip of it. Okay guys, so now make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.